Have you ever felt like the words in English rush past you, leaving you helplessly behind? It's like watching a fast-moving train. You can see it, but you can't catch it. Now, imagine flipping that script. What if you could feel the rhythm of English, understand every nuance, and even join in the conversation with confidence? Today, we're going to unlock the secret to effortless listening. In this video, I'll take you through a journey filled with simple steps that make your English listening easy and enjoyable. We'll explore how listening and speaking work together, practical tips to enhance your understanding, and fun ways to apply these techniques in your daily life. So get comfortable and let's dive in together on this adventure to discover how to feel great about your English. The connection, listening and speaking. Let's start with a powerful concept, the connection between listening and speaking. These two skills are deeply interconnected. Imagine them as dance partners. When one leads well, the other follows smoothly. The more you immerse yourself in listening, the more fluent and natural your speaking will become. Research shows that listening helps your brain absorb vocabulary and grammatical structures, essentially programming your brain for language patterns. Have you noticed how young children learn to speak? They listen first. They might not have the words yet, but they grasp the melody of language long before they can sing along. So put on your listening ears and let's start. But how can you practice effectively in a way that fits your lifestyle? First off, think about listening to simple podcasts like this one, where the language is clear and the pace is gentle. You can engage with numerous topics, from daily news to storytelling. Watching English videos is another effective method. Choose topics that interest you, be it cooking, travel, or even your favorite TV series. The key is to expose yourself to consistent content in English. Just imagine watching a fantastic series while soaking in the language. Let's not forget music. Who doesn't enjoy a great song? Listening to English songs is like a 2-for-1 deal. You learn vocabulary and improve your pronunciation while you enjoy the rhythm and melody. There's something powerful about associating language with emotions. Music helps you remember phrases organically. Now, one crucial point I want to emphasize: consistency is key. Make listening a daily habit. Just like exercising gives your body strength, daily listening will strengthen your language muscles, making speaking feel easier over time. Understanding the main idea. In our listening journey, it's essential to focus on understanding the main idea. It's perfectly okay if you don't catch every word. Instead, concentrate on grasping the overall message. Think of it this way. When you watch a movie trailer, you don't need to know every word spoken. You just need to understand the storyline, right? Let me give you an example. Imagine you're listening to a friend describing a movie. You hear phrases like big monster, fast running, and happy ending. Even if the word exciting slips by you, that's all right. You've caught the essential gist, a scary adventure that concludes in joy. As you refine this skill, you'll find that it not only enhances your listening, but also evolves your speaking ability. Over time, you'll become more adept at picking up details, but for now, embracing the main idea is your priority. Morning routine. Now let's put this into practice. One effective way to enhance your language skills is to think about your morning routine. Picturing your day helps you formulate simple sentences. Imagine waking up, starting with, "I wake up at 7 o'clock. Visualize this moment. Feel the blanket being pulled off as you get out of bed. Next, maybe you say, "I drink coffee." You can even imagine the smell of the coffee wafting through the air. Then you might think, "I go to my office." Each action using simple sentences helps you reinforce the structure and vocabulary of the language. Let's take it a step further. Try narrating your morning routine out loud. This practice not only helps you with pronunciation, but further embeds these phrases into your memory. Talking about food. Let's shift gears and dive into an engaging topic, food. Who doesn't love talking about their favorite dishes? Food conversations are not only fun, but also an excellent way to practice your English. Imagine a friend asks you, "What is your favorite food?" You can respond simply, "I love pizza," or "My favorite food is tacos." These straightforward answers can foster a deeper dialogue, inviting your friend to share their preferences too. Try thinking of other foods you love. Picture a dish you enjoy at a restaurant or a family recipe. You might say, "I enjoy pasta with marinara sauce," or "I like spicy curry." The beauty of these conversations lies in their simplicity. Keep it genuine and straightforward. Talking about free time. Now, let's discuss how you spend your free time. This topic opens doors to countless conversational opportunities. Picture a dialogue where a friend asks you, "What do you do on Saturdays?" You could respond with, "On Saturdays, I like to visit the park," or "I listen to music at home." Think about your weekend activities. Maybe you go hiking, or perhaps you enjoy painting. Practice saying it out loud. For instance, "On Sundays, I often enjoy cooking new recipes." Each sentence is a way to connect with someone and share parts of your life, making language learning engaging and relatable. Using descriptive short stories. Let's explore how storytelling can elevate your language skills. Telling a story allows you to practice different verbs and tenses effectively. For example, imagine describing your experience in a park. You might say, "The air is warm," evoking a sensory experience for your listener. Then you could expand. "The kids are happy and playing with a ball," painting a picture in their minds. Now, let's visualize a chilly, snowy day. You're sitting inside your cozy, warm home. You might describe it like this: "The snow is falling softly, creating a tranquil image." Or consider saying, "The city looks white and quiet," helping your listener feel the weight of that peaceful moment. Stories are also fantastic for practicing the past tense. Think of a favorite trip you took. You could say, "The mountains were beautiful, and I felt so peaceful there." These descriptions bring your experiences to life through language. Common phrases for natural speaking. To sound more conversational, let's talk about common phrases. We can oftentimes stick to the basics, but expanding your vocabulary can make a huge difference. For instance, instead of solely saying, "How are you?" try shaking it up with, "How's it going?" or "What's up?" These casual phrases can make conversations feel less formal and more friendly. Next, let's move to ordering food. Picture yourself at a restaurant. Instead of saying, "I want," you could phrase it, "I would like a grilled chicken sandwich and a soda, please." This polite form elevates your language game effortlessly. And when a friend asks you, "What are you doing next Sunday?" respond with something like, "I plan to visit my sister." Practicing these types of dialogues helps you build confidence when socializing in English. Active listening tip: the power of repetition. Now let's delve into a very effective method: the power of repetition. This strategy is a game changer when it comes to active listening and pronunciation. I want you to repeat after me closely. For example, I'll say, "I am going to the market to buy some fruit." Now you say it. Doing this out loud can significantly enhance your clarity and comfort with the language. Repetition builds muscle memory, helping your mouth adapt to new sounds. You can even play with variations. Instead of just saying the exact sentence again, try, "I'm heading to the mall to buy some shoes." This encourages you to adapt what you hear, honing your flexibility in conversation. Every time you practice, you're investing in your confidence. Hearing English phrases doesn't just improve your comprehension, it also equips you with real language skills you can use daily. We've covered so much ground today, exploring essential techniques to enhance your English listening skills. Remember, the journey of mastering a language begins with appreciating the learning process. Now, to put theory into practice, here's your homework assignment. Write in the comments below one simple thing you do on weekends using just 3 to 5 words. This is a great way to reinforce what you've learned. Don't forget to click that subscribe button for more valuable tips and techniques. Together, we'll continue our journey, diving into simple, clear conversations that will help you grow more confident in your English abilities. So, thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, every small step takes you closer to fluency. I can't wait to see you in our next episode. Until then, happy learning.